Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the editor and placing the file or folder focus where you want to search. Press Ctrl plus F for a quick, file-level search, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus F to search the entire workspace. Once done, type your query into the input. Make sure to toggle match case or whole word for precision. You can also enable regular expression mode if you must match patterns. This first step gets results immediately, so you can iterate fast. Continue by refining where VS Code looks and what it returns. In the search panel, add filters like asterisk, JS, or node modules to include or exclude paths. That prevents irrelevant noise. Click any result to open the file with a highlighted match and use the inline preview to validate before editing. When you need advanced matching, switch to regex and build your pattern gradually, testing with small examples. This middle stage narrows. Finish by performing replacements or applying changes across files. Use replace in files or hit replace all, but preview first to avoid sweeping mistakes. Once you commit edits, you can undo with Ctrl plus Z per file or revert changes via source control if available. If your search returns nothing when you expect matches, make sure search. Exclude, git ignore, and hidden file settings aren't hiding files. Adjust filters and retry. One troubleshooting tip: enable show all symbols or disable glob excludes to reveal missing matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.